to say. Come follow me now. Right now.
Hey lovies, this is Micahya and this is Mick.Media. Welcome to my channel. So, I did the big chop, y'all. Can you see it? Can you tell? Duh. I did it because my hair was damaged. It was tattered. It was terrible. It was reckless. It was ratchet. It was dry. And my scalp is still going through that dry stage. Like, I think I have psoriasis or adult cradle cap. Adult cradle cap. And it's a long word that I'm going to put there because I know how to say it. Something dermatitis. That one. So, it's been plaguing me for almost, or more than a year. Almost 2 years. And my hair was damaged. I was sitting pick and it's still not perfect. I did get a relaxer. She relaxed that shit. And then she cut it. But I love it. And don't judge me. I just put in one earring. I'm going to go get the other one because I left it at my friend's house. But tell me what you think about the new look. So this picture is just my hair. Really healthy and flat ironed. And the next picture is a braid out. And these clips are just how my hair looked the day I went to get it cut. I had box braids and I just took them down and pretty much picked it out. Of course I didn't wash it because I did get a relaxer like I told you. You got that Don King going on. Alrighty y'all, so my hair is almost done. We're going to go ahead and do the new makeup routine. I prime with my Smashbox HD primer and a little LA Girl concealer. I take my Maybelline and I blend it with an E40 brush. When my lips are chapped, I get the Baby Soft. Alrighty y'all, so then I go with my Kat Von D concealer. This stuff is really thick and a beautiful color, so make sure you prime. You will have pores showing. And I just blend it all out with my Morphe sponge. Love this thing. Blend to win. Then I go in with the black Opal foundation stick and cream contour. I could have contoured better on my chin, but hey, I'm learning. Real Techniques brush, blending it on out. Air spun. Now I don't bake because I have dry skin, so I just sweep it under my eye. It will crease. Then I take my Morphe palette, pick my favorite color, and I powder, highlight, or contour. And with my Milani as well. It's a little shimmer in that one. Now my eyebrows are full, but I haven't got them waxed because they just leave you with nothing left. My eyebrow pencil is just a kohl pencil. I used to use spiked, but I ran out of that MAC product so often I just went to a cheaper version. Fill them on in. How you looking? Alright. Then I take my LA Girl and I just base under my eyes, clean up the eyebrows. Then I add a little more highlighter to my nose and my forehead. Chisel it out with the air spun. I shouldn't have put it over my mouth because I said it creases, remember? A little more Morphe color and another Morphe brush to put a little pigmentation on my eyes. Chisel out my nose with that same color. Clean up the eyebrows a little more. And then I line my mouth, my lips with that pencil. Now this is Liquid Suede by NYX, and honey, that stuff is crazy. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab my Real Techniques blush brush and a little NARS blush I got as a birthday gift from Sephora. Shout out to them. And put a little more color on my cheeks, as if I didn't have enough. And this is why I don't like to bake. It's just white. Then I'm going to take this Victoria's Secret lip gloss, which is a dupe for MAC's Oyster Girl. And I'm going to gloss those lips up, baby. Then I go into my highlight with the Loose Pigmentation by MAC. I believe this one is Melon. And I only paid $10 for that little container. And it lasts forever. I'm going to secure the eyebrows with some NYX gel, a little mascara, and a little setting spray by NYX as well. And your girl's done. I was on my Cardi B, my little Kim tees, you know, threw on some little glary glasses. I love the little pieces at the back of my head. Obviously, I won't stop touching them. But y'all, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I hope you are subscribed. If not, click it now. Like and go look at all my other videos. And follow me on my social media, Mick.Media. I hope y'all have a good day. Bye, lovies. Thank you so much for watching my video. Let me know if you want any information, any more videos, and what you would like to see, and all the information is in the description box. Have a good day.